Our team at Fetch is spread out across the country, but we've created hubs in Birmingham, Boston, Chicago, and Madison to stay connected and build a future of remote-first work. The first thing you'll notice are the comfortable, collaborative, open workspaces in each office. And private spaces as well for more focused, deep work. You do you. State-of-the-art meeting rooms make connecting with your teams a breeze, whether they're in the room or across the country. Oh, and there's snacks. Lots of snacks. The best thing, though, has got to be the in-person connections. From hand-raising town halls to tech workshops and whiteboard sessions and shuffleboard competitions, Nintendo Switch battles, and rooftop happy hours. There's a lot of inspiring work and play happening every day at Fetch. I know I'm just the voice actor, but can I work here?